Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block spam and robocalls on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your phone app or call app on your Pixel device. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls, so it should be easily accessible from your home screen or app drawer. Once you have the phone app open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, often called a menu icon or hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on these three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your phone settings and features. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This will take you into the phone app's configuration area where you can customize how your calls are handled and filtered. The Settings menu contains all the tools you need to control your calling experience and protect yourself from unwanted interruptions. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find Caller ID and Spam. This is the specific feature that handles spam detection and blocking on your Pixel device. Tap on Caller ID and Spam to access the spam filtering controls. This section is designed to identify potential spam callers and robocalls before they even reach you, giving you peace of mind throughout your day. Once you're in the Caller ID and Spam section, you'll see an option called Filter Spam Calls. Right next to this option, there's a toggle button. This toggle is what activates the spam filtering feature on your device. Simply tap the toggle button to turn it on. When enabled, this feature automatically screens incoming calls and blocks those identified as spam or robocalls, preventing them from disrupting your day. Your Pixel will now work in the background to protect you from unwanted callers, letting only legitimate calls come through. And that's it. You've now enabled spam call filtering on your Google Pixel, which means fewer interruptions from unwanted callers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.